Okay. All right. That's definitely gonna get ran. Hmm. So I'm gonna see if we can get the VWAP and if we can get a bounce from there, because I think we can get a bounce from we can possibly get a bounce here. If I can get my limit up. Hmm. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Well, that's not good enough anymore. Mm, mm. Yeah, this morning, I definitely felt cheated this morning. I will say that. I definitely felt cheated this morning because last night I had a limit sitting at 2013, and boy, does the Nasdaq love to miss your targets by a couple of points. The reason why I had it at 13 was because obviously we had support here, we had a breaker structure, we had two breaker structures at this line, so I figured that the market was going to at least retest this area, but the market said 17 was good enough, or wherever it was. Yeah, right here. That was good enough. And I missed this big move to the upside, so that always hurts. That always hurts. Mm. Let me make sure. Let me make sure. Uh, I mean, that is a bearish hourly candle. We could see a continuation from yesterday's bearishness, the momentum. What I'm actually looking for is for price to actually touch up into about 280 to 290. That's actually where I believe that price could possibly see today. We could see that today. So I'm going to be actually looking for that. And crap, if I can. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Okay. It does appear that the bears are trying to sell this down. However, I do think that we'll see a bounce, hopefully, in this area. But if the bears are successful in running this range, then my next plan of attack would possibly be this 50 level, somewhere in this area. But we'll see. We'll see. She loves falling short of that first target. Man, she loves falling short of it. And then once we get that first target, then the rest of the targets should be easy. But there's always that first target. Always the first one. Always the first one, man. All right, there goes that first target. And yeah, the rest of them should be easy at this point. It's usually always the first one. Once we get that first one, we can usually see the second and third one for sure. Unless it just falls short of this the second one too. Man, does it love doing that. Man, does it love doing that. Okay. just in case. Mm, okay. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Wouldn't it be hilarious? Wouldn't it be hilarious if it's going to my limit order? Hmm. Mm, hmm. Yeah, that hourly candle does not lie. The hourly candle does not lie at all. Oh crap! I didn't even see that gap right there. I didn't see that gap. Probably trying to fill it. Or no, never mind. They already filled the gap. It already filled it with this candle right here. Cool. Mhm. I mean, if the market rebounds here, kind of readjust some of these targets. Like I said, I think we can see possibly 287. We can see, well, let me rephrase that. I fe- I feel that the market is probably trying to get to this 287 level. This 287 level, somewhere around it, 280, probably 290. I believe this is where the bulls are going to want to take all their profits off. I do feel that we can get an initial rejection at this 240 to 50 area. Just looking at the charts, this could be the objective for the market right now. Uh, so I'm gonna just have my runner targets running towards these areas. But time will tell, I guess. Mm. But we do have majority of this position off. We're only in half of a mini contract right now. So I put it underneath this range. Okay. All right. So we'll see. All right. All right. So Tommy says the short was obvious from the golden fib. Okay. Well, I, so my Top Step X account, I mean, these are cheap accounts. I don't necessarily like trading on it. So what I like to do on my Top Step X accounts are I just gamble. I'm not going to sit here and not say that I don't. That's exactly what I use them for. I'll probably over leverage a position just cause it just feels good to gamble. So when I come on stream with you guys, I got all um, that gambling energy out. So I just usually gamble those accounts, honestly, because I don't like trading on it for real. I really don't. I use it to trade in the pre-market, so I don't feel like I missed a move, so I don't take that energy into the stream. Because sometimes the market likes to move in pre-market, and you wake up and the market's moved 100 points, and you feel like you missed a move, and that can elicit some minor revenge trading emotions, and That's basically what I use it for, honestly. Um, huh. I mean, the Bears are trying to sell this thing. They're definitely trying. Definitely selling it off the bottom of this range. What I should do is possibly just leave my stop right here underneath this low. Yeah. Hmm. Um, I could do is this. Probably see like the bottom of that range, like right there. Yeah, I think these are good targets right here. I think these are good. Unless the Bears are trying to knock this thing down. I mean, we can see them selling. So, I mean, obviously from yesterday, we might have to start taking these Bears a little bit more seriously. We can see that obviously they're still in this market selling. We can see them trying to sell it right here, but it does appear that the Bulls are holding up in this range right here. They are holding this range up at least for right now, and that's what I'm betting on is for the Bears to try here and fail, and we can use their stops as fuel for that push up going higher. So that's what I'm looking for in this situation right here. Uh, yep, that's me, gain weight. That's me. Honestly, I was actually thinking about taking that short too. Obviously, the shorts is where the money is in this move. So initially, I initially thought that they was going to come back in at VWAP and possibly uh, retest this high, if not this one. So that's what I was initially betting on. But it's obvious that the Bears ain't done. And we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up. Yo, if my God. Oh my God, dude. Uh, all right. You got to take that with the Nasdaq. I guess that's baked into it. Hmm. I was about to say, please don't start breaking. Yeah, that's baked into it, all right. That's definitely baked into it. Ugh. It literally came to my stop and moved up. Literally. I think so too. I honestly think so too. And stuff like this is frustrating, man. That's frustrating. That's frustrating right there. The reason why, so the reason why I'm thinking that we might see a bounce in this area is be is because of what the fuck? It's because of the price action. I think we do see a bounce here. Unfortunately, I got stopped out of this position. Unfortunately, as it's bouncing, which is frustrating. Oh, that's so frustrating. But I'm not going to chase it. Man, that's frustrating. Ah, that's so frustrating. Mm. But going back to the higher time frame chart, uh, price did trade back into this range, and it does appear that the bulls are trying. The bears obviously are selling, but this appears to be demand for right now. Hmm. Hmm. You know what? Let me see if I can. Ah, dude. Ah, man. Oh, that's so frustrating. That is frustrating. That is so frustrating. It literally stopped me out. Literally stopped me out and bounced. Ah, man, that's so frustrating. That is frustrating. You said that's three trades in under 30 minutes? Yeah, you could be right, Gainweight. You could be right. Hmm. What I'm looking for in this situation is a breakout. That's what I'm looking for right now. But I'm not gonna lie, Gainweight. This is frustrating. It literally came back and stopped me out just to go in my direction. So yeah, you could be right. Yeah, if we can get that first target, then the second target will be easier. Just gotta get that first target. But I do see that though. I do see that it is rejecting off of the bottom of this range. I was hoping that I'm hoping that it'll trade back up into this range without having to retest this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We'll see though. I mean, so far the Bulls are holding it. So far. Mm. So we had the 9 o'clock algo. We haven't gotten much of a reaction yet. We haven't got a reaction yet. Mm. So you said, so Gameway says the SMA's got tight, should be heading down before they cross. Yeah, I see that. What I was hoping for, and that's why I reduced a lot of my risk on this play. So what I'm hoping for, or what I was hoping for, is that the price would come back to this the 20 and the 50, and then we would see a breakout. That's what I was hoping for. We didn't get that, or at least we didn't get it yet. Yeah, the Bears. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I was looking for right there. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Uh, that's what I was looking for. All right. I think we're good in this position right here. First target hit. That's what I was looking for. But the Nasdaq likes to take out as many people out of the move as possible before she does that. So nice. Don't fill my order even though she touched it. She literally touched the order and didn't take it. That's fine. Hmm. Oh, so the yellow line is the 21 EMA. The red line is the 50 EMA. Oh crap. I just noticed that. Yeah, I keep forgetting that every time I open up a new chart, sometimes it doesn't plot or it doesn't do what I needed it to do. And that gray line is the 200 EMA. I mean, now this target it don't matter no more. It's not good enough. I will say that so I think actually what I'm gonna do is actually readjust my targets. I still believe in my thesis. I still think that we can get to that 80 level. I think we'll see our first rejection at 50. And we got a rejection there. Um, and I'll have one at one. No, Okay. Actually, what I should have did was take some right here. All right, so now I see it. All right, so I may have made a mistake as I was adjusting my targets. I do see that we do have this area where the bears are possibly trying to come in and sell it right back down, but we'll see. We'll see. But I do want to take the time to really look at my chart. This is the main reason why having a plan beforehand is very crucial. So 115, we already got a rejection, so we'll probably see a stop run above that. So possibly like, yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, that's good. Probably put this down a little bit lower. So we all know what the NQ does. And then I have my runner targets. All right. Mm. Mm, 14. Yeah, so I think this is good. I think this is good. Or maybe not. Hmm. So there's a golden fib right there. I'll put that right there. Put that right there. Yeah, I think that's good right there. That's good. I can live with that. All right. Oh my God. uh, it's always that target, man. I swear. I'm not playing that game. I'll take it. I'm not playing the game. I'm not playing that game. I'm not playing that stupid game. uh, right now, so the smart thing to do, the responsible thing to do is to move my break even +1. The reason why is because if we get a break of this structure right here, we can definitely see price move all the way back down into this range. We can definitely see that. But what I will do is give myself 10 points, about 11 points. Yeah, like right here. Because I mean, if we get a break of this structure, we can easily see price move back down into this area. And I don't want that to happen for it to bounce and go in my direction. So I'll give myself 11 points of risk on 7 micro contracts so I can hit my targets, giving it room to bounce back and forth however it needs to bounce so we can actually get into these higher levels. Now, if I'm wrong, then, I'll take the loss. It's not a big deal. Like I said, I got majority of my contracts. I got half my position already in profit, already banked. So, I mean, it's not a big deal. Okay. Hey, Gameway, are you short right now? You shorting this or are you in long? Oh, you don't trust nothing right now? Hmm. Well, for right now, I think the market is trying to go for higher prices. I mean, with that massive drop that we had yesterday, there's definitely some rebalancing that the market can do to the upside. So I'm definitely going to focus all of my trades to the long side. I'm, because if they wanted to drop this thing, they would have dropped it already. And as a bear, I know that if they really wanted to drop this thing, what I think they're doing is trying to trap people trying to sell this thing. That's what I think they're trying to do to go higher. Let's look at the hourly chart. Yeah, they're definitely trying to push this thing back up. That's definitely a bullish hourly candle. Definitely an bullish hourly candle. So I'm gonna keep my trades going to the upside for right now. Uh, and there's that break. Let's see if they follow through. Yeah, I mean that's what it would be. That's exactly what it would be. All right. Looks like we're coming to that first add-on target. All right, that first target got hit. All right, so now let's see if we can get that second target. I mean, If that first target gets hit, usually the second and third target is most likely going to get hit as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if we see a breakout from this, we're definitely going higher. So it's going to definitely be this area right here that we're going to have to watch out for because this is obvious distribution. So we're going to see a strong move to the down or upside. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah, I forgot. Forgot it's a little bit delayed. Always that freaking first target. Come. Damn. All right, man. All right. It's always the first one, man. It's always the first one. She does that too. Always that first target. Mm. 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 Okay. Yeah, I think this position is good. I think it's good. I do see that it's rejecting off this 50% though. Hmm. Yeah, I might have to mm, yeah. Huh. The Bears are definitely saying that they're not going to let this thing go without a fight. They're definitely not going to let this move go without a fight. Hmm. Yeah, it rejected perfectly off this 50% fib. Hmm. Yeah, they're going to have to protect this low. Hmm. Damn it. Yeah, if it breaks below this low, I'm going to reduce my risk on this one. I just want to see if hmm, I mean, at this point, yeah, I'll let it take it. Okay. 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 Yeah, I've been back and forth between being positive and negative. Right now, I'm down about 500 bucks. The Bears are definitely not giving this one up. Not without a fight. Mm, mm. I mean, is it trying to do that? 1920.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. So,
Order filled.
okay. Well, that's it for me today. I'm gonna see. Hmm. 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 Are we really going into a bear? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that game. Wait. Yeah, that's why I put my stop underneath that low because of this right here. And that was that neckline that if it broke, it was definitely going to have a stop run down. So the Bears, I guess they're not done. They're not done. All right, so we are trading into this range. Hmm. 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 At least on the ES. At least on the ES. What is it? Yeah, you gotta check that. Hmm. Isn't that interesting? That is interesting. Hmm. I don't want to trade the ES. Hmm. I'm gonna try it here. I'm gonna try. It looks like ah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the reason why. Okay, so I was looking at for the Nasdaq. That's why I wanted to try. Oh. That's okay. It's all right. I missed it. 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 Mm, mm. Damn. 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 Yeah. Yeah, for sure. We'll see if we can, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we can get that. Hmm. Looks like it's bouncing off of that. It's bouncing. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce. Yeah, because once we took out that liquidity underneath this low at 50, I was like, uh, I wanted to at least try because I'm going to assume that. I mean, I'm not saying that it's not going to get down to 906, but usually when we see stuff like this, it usually likes to come back up in like inside this range somewhere. So once I saw it slow down, mm, I mean, at this point, I'm just looking for bounces. It doesn't look like the Bears are going is not going to give too many opportunities for price to really retrace. I'm going to heavily reduce my risk on this though. I mean, if they don't bounce it again here, it's done. And I'm just not going to play that game with the Nasdaq today. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. That's going to be the last trade I take today. I've taken what 3 losses in a row. I'm just going to come back in tomorrow, and I guess what I will do is go on the sim because obviously the day is just not my day today. I swear it is game weight. I swear it is. Hmm. I guess the Bears wasn't done selling from yesterday. All right. Actually, I will try this though. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, I guess let's see if they try to bounce it here. Yeah, if the Nasdaq is gonna keep on falling. Uh, so I do have an area that I am looking at for the ES. I really want price to trade into this 15 area. I want price to trade into this 15 area. And this is where I think we can see a bounce from the ES. But the Bears are apparently not done. Well, I think that's the move right there. Let me see. Hmm. Huh. You just had to sweep it this low. Huh. Okay, yeah. So I think that was probably it. Mm. Yeah, you gotta kind of be quicker than that. You gotta kind of be quicker than that. You'll miss the move entirely if you think too hard about it. If you think too hard about it, you'll miss the move entirely. So let's see if we can get limited in. Let's see if it bounces back in right here at that 906, 908 area. Let's see if I can get in without it completely running away from me. The new thing that I'm gonna start trying to do is uh not chase the Nasdaq, regardless if it works or not. Man, that's so hard. Because you know the Nasdaq can basically do it, but if I trade the Nasdaq the same way I would trade gold or ES or something like that. I mean, looking at the chart, I've noticed that. I mean, the ES is. I mean, not the ES. The Nasdaq is crazy, but she's not that crazy. If you just kind of wait for her to finish whatever move she's doing and get in at areas of support and resistance, and don't fall for the stuff that she does in the middle of the chart, trading her is not that bad. Or it's not that it's bad, but it's not that stressful. There's a better way of saying that. Mm. Mm, 98. And like it always does that too. It always does that. Yeah, about like 5 points underneath it. Like 9 points underneath the low or something. Why is that gain weight? Well, I mean, I can understand that. Yeah, I can understand that. Because I mean, if they're not gonna buy this up here, well, you man, shit, you know what, man? Instead of this is a good opportunity to get my try to get my money back. Hold on. This is a good opportunity to try to get my money back. 'Cause I think I may have missed it. 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 I
Order
may,
filled.
yeah. Uh, Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You said what? You said what happened to that limit? I don't know what you're talking about. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, you talk about the VWAP? Yeah. I mean, we might see a rejection here. What I'll do, so this is what I'll do. I'll take
Order
10.
filled.
I'll take 10 off right there. Nah, actually, I'll just take the whole thing
Order
off.
filled.
I'll just take the whole thing off, man. At least get my money back. All right, I got my money back on that. Honestly, I feel like I should even be. Oh my God. Oh my, oh, oh my God. Why? Why am I in my 150K account? Why? 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 I think I just passed this account. Fuck. Oh, I just passed this account. Oh, oh, oh. I think I just passed this account. Oh my God. Why am I in this account? Oh my God. I mean, I don't think we get a full rejection down, but I think we at least get a pullback, or they can keep trying to trade it up higher. But at least I think we get at least a pullback, possibly back down to these EMAs. Ah, damn. Well, I was in the wrong account. I was in the wrong account. I was in the wrong account. I did not mean to do that. Uh, all right. Hmm. I was in the wrong freaking account. Uh, I think I just passed that 50K account. I think I just passed it. I think my P&L is at 3K. I use this to gamble. I use my 150K and my 50K top step account to gamble. I did not mean to pass it. Uh, I guess what I could do is
Order filled. Isn't that interesting? Smith just messaged me and said that he just landed. He's back in the States. Our boy is back in the States. So I'm assuming that he'll be home by tonight. He may or may not join tomorrow. Knowing Smith, he'll probably do it. I'm pretty sure his family's going to want to spend as much time with him as soon as he gets back. But I'm pretty sure he'll probably get back into the market tomorrow. We all know who we trade. We all know that this is a drug. Y'all know this is a drug. And when it comes down to this drug and your family, obviously you gotta choose your family. But it's the point is that it's still a hard decision. Like you gotta think about it like, oh man, I could be trading the Nasdaq right now. But I guess spending time with my family is also cool. That's also cool. So I'm pretty sure he'll still come on tomorrow. Yeah, with the Nasdaq, you kind of have to. Like, you need like unless you're gonna trade like the ES or something. I mean, I guess I could.
Now I'm wishing that I took that damn trade on the ES. I was thinking about it, and that was a quick 20-point trade on the ES. Yeah, so it's official. I'm gonna start doing that because it's just too clean. It's literally just too clean, man. It's too clean on the ES. The price action is too clean. I mean, you get these nasty drops on the Nasdaq, but if you look over at the ES, I mean, it's we got a drop on the ES, but I mean, it's manageable. We got a sweep of these lows, but it found support right here. So, like I said, trading the ES is so much easier and less stress free. It's just that you just gotta be perfect with your entries, and usually the market likes to set up overnight or in the middle of the day. The Nasdaq, I mean, shit. If you're not managing your risk correctly, say goodnight to that account. You ain't managing it correctly. Um, I think I may have messed up. I think this is where the market bounces. I think it bounces here. I think it bounces here. Uh, yeah, I think it bounces here. Hmm. 975, 955. Yeah, I messed up. I wasn't paying attention. I messed up, but it's okay. So what I was trying to do, either I was trying to overshoot, so I missed that 50% target, or I would just lose $500. Either way, I would unpass this account because, like I said, I don't want to pass this account at all. Nine, nine. All right, so I see a range about right there. Yeah, I think I messed up. Yeah, it bounces here. It bounces. So what I will do, what I should do is see if I can actually get into this.
Order filled.
And that's such great risk reward right there too. Hmm. Hmm. Some more room. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I guess the Bears is just not giving this shit up without a fight. Okay. What I will do though, what I will do, since the ES is not the ES, the Nasdaq, I'll actually take this trade actually. But I want to get in with 18 micro contracts. Because if they hold this level, then we can see a move higher. But if they don't, then obviously we're going to go down lower. And I'm still going to be looking at that 615 area on the ES.
Order filled.
Okay. 26, 36. Ah, damn it. Ah, my stop is literally right there at that low. Okay, so I'm out of that. Okay. So I've unpassed the account. So I got a total of 5K, made 3K. So on the long that I took on If you're talking about, so I'll talk about both longs. This is what I was looking at. So the long that I just took on the ES that I may or may not. Let's see. So what I was actually looking for was for price to bounce in this range, in this little small range right here. If price doesn't bounce here, then we're going down lower. But if it does, then I can get a shot of a retest of this high. So that's what I was risking, or that's why I took this long right here on the ES. And a second part of the reason is because I saw this the first time and I thought too hard about it and I missed this move. But I'm hoping that it continues to go up for at least a retest. We might actually get this. That's probably more likely, to be honest. But I'm going to keep it here and hope for the best. But if we do get a flush of this low, I am looking at that 15 to 16 area for there to be a real bounce on the ES. The trade that I took on the Nasdaq, so we'll see. Yeah, it just seems like the bears are just taking this market. We're not really getting any. I mean, we're getting two-way price action here and there, but it's just basically straight down. And these are the days that I have the most trouble with because it's, well, I'm getting in at demand, but it's still going down. So we'll see if this ES trade works out. I think it will. I think I'm in a good spot. What I should have did was waited for a test of this low. That's what I should have did, but I thought that it was going to stop at the top of this little range that they got right here. And so that's why I entered right here. But they didn't. So so the trade that I took on the Nasdaq, I'll talk about that. So what I was looking for, we saw this big, massive move up. We saw this pullback into this range. So this was just basically a break and a possible retest
Order filled.
Okay, so I got stopped out of that ES trade. That's what I was looking for. You see this support right here? We're at a range. They broke out of it. They came back and they retested it. That's why I kind of went long, thinking that it was going to go up higher to at least trade back into this range that I see up here. But it didn't do that. It's going straight down. So people are just selling out of their positions today. So it's just hard to kind of be in. Oh crap. Oh crap. This is actually where I do want to trade at. I do want to trade here at this 15 area. This is where I do want to trade. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna have my order here just in case, because I'm not playing this game. Right there. Just in case it does continue to fall. All right, so.
Order filled.
That's crazy because that shit didn't even touch my order for real. Okay. Wow. I do want to scale into this at 11. So I'll put like an additional 3 contracts here at 11. And I'll stop out at 9. just in case. And this will be my last trade, like for real, because the reason why I took this trade at 15, and I'll show you guys. Oh, crap. All right, so you look at the ES, the higher time frame chart on the ES. Yeah, so this is the reason why I took this trade on the ES. We can see that this is an area where I believe this is the close. This is where we saw that bounce. And if you look right here, you can see that this is the area where they bounced the market. And from this entry, we got this massive move to the upside from here. We saw price come back in, and we didn't double bottom. They front ran that 15 level by 3 points. So that's why I was kind of looking in this area for a bounce. Now, right now, it does appear that they're obviously selling through it. The next level is obviously this 310 level or 5610. So I'm hoping that they come in here if they're not going to come in here. And I'm going to stop out at 609. So that's what I was betting on in this area. But these bears are definitely, they're just too strong. They're definitely selling out of their positions today. Great day to be a bear. Great day to be a bear.
Order filled.
Okay, so I just got scaled in 3 contracts. My stop is going to be at 609. So I was either betting on 15 being that entry, or I was betting on 11 being that entry on the ES. So we will see. Let me go down. Okay, so I got 2 more points to draw down left in this position. We will see if we get that bounce here at 11. We will see. And you can see I lose almost about $700 in this play if I'm wrong, which we can easily get that back. I mean, today is just one of those days where we just have to get into good positions, good areas, and we have to manage and focus on our risk because we have days like this where demand just gets traded through. They just trade through demand like it's nothing. Kind of like how the Bears were getting, I guess the Bulls are feeling how the Bears felt when price was trading through supply. And it was a gamble just to take a short at supply because of how rampant the Bulls were. Hmm. Actually, I don't even know where my target is on this one. I don't know where my target is. Where's my target? Imagine 14K. Okay. So I think we can at least get a retest of that level if we do see a bounce from here. If we do see it. Okay. But all right, guys, it's getting close to that time for me. What I'm actually going to do is give myself one more tick of drawdown. One more tick. A clean 720 loss. Okay. If that were to happen. But yeah, I'm just going to let this one run. I'm going to let this one run. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think we're good in this position. I think. I mean, if I'm going to be as critical as possible. All right, so we rejected from this range. We saw this move down. We saw a move back up into this range right here. We have a failure to take price higher. So we saw that rejection from this range. And
Order filled.
okay. All right. That's it for this account. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, yeah, the Nasdaq is just straight rolling down. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, Jay Powell. It just ain't working today. Great day to be a bear today and yesterday. Great day to be a bear. Hmm. This is why bears get stubborn. This is the main reason why bears get stubborn because as soon as they say, you know what, fuck it, fine, shorts don't work, let's go long. That's when the bears come. It always works perfectly like that. That's why after a while you just get stubborn and say, I'm just shorting. Yeah, especially on the Nasdaq, dude. Yeah, I guess if you're not going to short this, just stay out of the market. Hmm. So the ES. So I'm assuming. So let me really look at this again because this is at this point. We missed that move. The market doesn't want to ping pong back and forth today, so it's definitely just trying to get to a destination. The market is definitely trying to get somewhere. It's not even playing around today with back and forth price action. Uh, I doubt that we make a move like that. That would be crazy. 584? Huh. I think I think 580 might be that level. I think we might see a bounce at 580 from a 10-point range between 590 and 580, but I think 580 might be the actual area on the ES. Because when we, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, like 85, 90. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And then we're seeing a bounce on, yeah, that does look right. All right, so let's see. Uh, let's see if we can get limited into this. Smith said this drop is unfair. He says he can he said this drop is not fair. Yeah, I would agree. It's not fair because I'm not a part of it. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna save my other account for next week because man, this price action is just it's so brutal. It is so brutal, so brutal. Okay. All right. All right. So I guess that's let's. God damn it! I can't do that. Oh, oh. Huh. I mean, that's so interesting that they're just refusing to bounce the freaking market. They're just refusing. Uh, hmm. Mm. I'm gonna try that again. I'm trying that again. Okay. So at this point, I might as well just start shorting the bottom. I might as well just start shorting the bottom because these bears are not these bears. These bulls are just not coming in. Well, I guess they are. I guess they are coming in. I guess what's really happening is that the same way the bears were used to push this market higher, the bulls are being used to push this market lower. I think the bull dynasty is done. Because they are not coming in at demand at all. Yeah, you see how they're having a hard time pushing price away from an area of demand. So yeah, yeah, the bulls are. I guess they're not as regarded as they used to be. Yeah, they're not even pushing it away from demand anymore. Okay. $10.31. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. So today was a red day for me today. Today was definitely a red day for me. I think I had about half and half wins and losses, but yeah, today I'll take today as a red day because I blew this account. But I mean, it's not like I said a real account. I kind of gamble on that account. But I did get 3K in the other account. I was going back and forth. Yeah, so yeah, today was a red day for me. Today was red. But all right, guys. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually gonna stop it right here. I actually took two of these trades in the sim. I've realized that now I'm kind of trading on tilt. Obviously, the market is going down in a straight line, and I hate the fact that I'm not a part of it. I hate that. So I will stop. I will come back tomorrow, and we'll make all that money back tomorrow. I'm not going to trade after I get off stream. And once Smith get back, so there's going to be a lot of stuff that we're going to start doing. The production is definitely going to go back up. The visuals, I have an update for the visuals for the stream, at least for mine. If Smith wants an update, I'll do it for him as well. But we'll have Smith back next week. We'll have the trades, the laughter. We have two different opinions. So I'm excited for next week. With the stream, once Smith gets back, I'm gonna have an account dedicated for just the stream. I'm not gonna take trades off stream or anything. All trades will be on stream, every single one. What I want to do is set daily profit targets and set daily loss limits. You can do that in Tradeovate. I want to do that. I think I should do that. But the one thing that I absolutely hate is the limitations. I hate the limitations, even though those limitations are helpful. Like today, I think I lost $1,000 in my other account. I only have $200 worth of drawdown for today before I hit daily loss limit. So I just stopped. I closed the position, but I lost $1,000 on that. And just having like $1,000 daily loss limit
will probably be $1,000 to 1,100. Should probably be my stopping point. But today was definitely for the Bears. Definitely. I don't know who tried to call me. So originally, what I was thinking that the Bulls were going to do originally. So I thought that they was going to try to come back and test somewhere in here and reject at the bottom of this trend line. Let me actually just draw this out. I'm probably gonna get another pin. So I thought that there was going to at least trade price all the way up here because we had this range and we had a break of this range. They came back and it looked like they was trying to push it higher. But in hindsight, we saw that this area was resistance. And you can see that right here. Right here is that high. And we saw that rejection. However, I assumed we was going to trade into that first, and then we can see it move down like this. I mean, that's how price action usually works. Usually. However, we didn't get that. What we got was the Bears or the Bulls failing to take it past this trend line. We had a break of this structure, and honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm surprised I didn't notice this before. I guess because my bias was always to the upside, I failed to realize that the market was still going down because look how perfectly it rejected off of the bottom of this range. And we saw that move down. I can't believe I missed that. I can't believe I missed that. Hmm. I can't believe I missed that. Hmm. That's a classic break and retest. I mean, I can't believe I missed that. Huh. Huh. I can't believe I missed that. Hmm. All right. Okay. So, like I said, I guess what I should do, I got to do this before I end the stream because I can't believe I missed that. But like I said, we'll get our money back tomorrow. I just can't believe I missed something so simple. I can't believe I missed that. So originally, my bias was that the market was going to trade back into so that was my original bias. My bias was always long. And I guess that's a good or what should I improve on? Being more adaptable with my bias because mm, yeah, I hate that I missed that. All right, so
Hmm. Um, okay. All right. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys joining. We'll come back strong tomorrow. We'll get this money back. And with that said, peace out.